Welcome to the video. Traveling with a baby can be both exciting and a bit daunting, but with the right gear, it can be a breeze. This video is your ultimate guide to making sure your little one is comfortable and entertained during your travels. We'll be covering everything from the essentials like diapers and feeding supplies to toys and entertainment options to ensure you're prepared for any adventure with your little one. Diapers are essential. Pack plenty, especially if you're going on a longer trip. A diaper bag with multiple compartments will help you stay organized and easily access everything you need. Don't forget wipes for those inevitable messes, diaper rash cream to prevent discomfort, and a changing pad for a clean and hygienic surface. A portable changing station can be a lifesaver, especially if you're on the go and don't have access to a changing table. These essentials will ensure your baby stays comfortable and clean during your travels. Feeding and hydration are crucial for baby's well-being. Whether you're breastfeeding or bottle feeding, pack essentials like bottles, formula, breast milk storage bags, and a travel warmer to ensure your baby has a comfortable and nourishing experience. For older babies, include snacks, sippy cups, and utensils for mealtime on the go. And don't forget about yourself. Packing plenty of water will keep you hydrated throughout your travels. Packing clothes for your baby is about versatility and comfort. Include a variety of outfits for different temperatures, and remember layering for different climates. Don't forget sleep sacks, swaddles, socks, and hats to keep your little one cozy and warm. A travel-size stroller or carrier is essential for easy transportation and provides a safe and comfortable space for your baby. These items will make navigating the airport, exploring new places, and even just strolling through the park a breeze for both you and your baby. Keeping your baby entertained on the go is important. Pack a few of their favorite toys to keep them occupied and engaged. Consider books, soft toys, and age-appropriate toys that are easy to travel with. Remember to choose toys that are durable and won't easily get lost or damaged. And if your baby uses a pacifier, don't forget to pack it. These simple steps will help keep your baby entertained and happy during your travels.